Racing just is started. We have Do It David break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside, Ravishing Rapi. Descent Proposal. Mr. Cool comes next. Then followed over by Fly Aday Fly. Next on line with Zantro number 7, Latin Cat. Zerbenjo Mogul. While Stratosphere is the early trailer and Violeta Secret was left behind. And going along for the first turn, we have Do It David by about 6 lengths. Ravishing Rafi in second, running by the rail comes Descent Proposal. Mr. Cool alongside Fly Aday Fly comes next. Serbenjo Latin Cat Stratosphere comes next, while Mogul now racing in 10th. Back to the leader, we have Do It David by about 4 lengths. Ravishing Rapi now coming closer in second together with Mr. Colori outside. Fly Aday Fly is racing in fourth. Latin Cat comes next, moving up Serbenjo. Descent Proposal Stratosphere, while Mogul is still racing less than Diana entering the home stretch. We have Ravishing Rapi draws clear by about 6 lengths. Mr. Colin second, moving up on the outside is Fly Aday Fly. We have Ravishing Rapi maintaining a 6 lengths lead. Fly Aday Fly in second with about 100 meters of the race. It's Ravishing Rapi over Fly Aday Fly, and finally it's Ravishing Rapi. Fly Aday Fly, Mogul close with Descent Proposal. Then comes Latin Cat and Do It David for your Super 6.
Nice.